Hello everyone, welcome back to Lemon Solution. Sometimes unknowingly we turn off the WhatsApp call notification and miss the important calls. So in this video we'll see how you can fix this thing on WhatsApp. So head to WhatsApp, click on three dot option, settings, go to notification option, scroll down to notification tone, click on it, and you can select any one of your favorite music here or ringtone here. Now click on vibrate and make it default short or long. Now close this thing and you have to do one more thing. Head to settings, search apps, click on apps here, WhatsApp, click on notification option at the top. Now turn on the notifications of WhatsApp. After doing these settings on WhatsApp, you will start receiving call notification. So this was the method. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much.